Okay, no problem. So today we have to learn about F string. F string basically means is it's combination of two words, string and F means formatted. So I have explained you what string is. String is like when you combine many characters like numbers, alphabets together, they form a string. So any sentences that we are write, they are basically a type of string that we are writing. So let's say that we want to print out some string on to our screen, we can use F string to do that. Right now we are using F string. F string means formatted string. Formatted string has a fixed format and its some of its values can be changed. Like I have written these 5 sentences here, and in these 5 sentences what we can do is we can write our own information here. Like you can write your own information, Ayat can write his information, I can write my information. So today we are going to write a program, write a code that will help you to do this, in which we can change the values at the backend, and all these values that I change in the backend will be reflected in here. So first I need to do is define what are the values that I need to put here. What do you think? What should I put in here? Here, if I say my name is, what thing is going to be entered here? Obviously,
I know.
my
Your name.
yeah, obviously my name is going to enter here. And what is going to enter here? My age.
Yeah.
And
And
what here?
your country.
Yes, your city or country, let's say. City. Country also fine, no problem.
I like to eat.
So we might want to write about something about food. And here we want to write something about
Color.
color.
Teacher,
Yes.
I am Harith.
Yes, Haris.
I'm writing all my things.
You are 8 years old or 7 years old.
Now I'm not 8 or 9. I'm total 9 years old.
Oh, you're 9 years old. That's great. Okay, now stop doing this.
And,
Now stop doing this, please. And we'll
and
start working. And we'll start
I
working.
like
Okay. So let's go to this coding portion and we have to write a code here. So first thing that we are going to do is tell the names of all these things that we want to put here. Like we want to put the name. Okay. So we are going to write name equals Umar, and do not forget to put your names in inverted commas. Every string, every type of string that you use, a combination of characters that you want to be printed the same way, you have to put it in the inverted commas. Then you have to write your age. So write age and then again write this, write your age obviously. After that you're going to write city and add your city here. Food, add your food here and add your color here. Okay. So now we are going to write a program that will help you to do us, that will help us to translate this whole code into a programmable thing. So for that, I'm going to use print f string. What am I going to use? Print f string. So I'm going to use print, write f.
teacher, I'm writing.
Okay, yes. Print write f and then write that my name is, what is to be used here? Name, and close it. Similarly, I'm going to copy this here, paste it, and change the sentence. Sentence now would say, my, no, I am age years old. Do not forget to put your full stop where it is needed. Now the next one, the next sentence is, I live in, I live in City.
Teacher, why you write I am 8 years old?
Yes, I am age years old. So age is going to be replaced with the value of age that I put here. The city value is going to be replaced with the city value that I put here. The name is going to be replaced by the name value that I put here. Okay. So 3 lines, and now comes the fourth line. The fourth line is about I like to eat food. Last thing, my favorite color is color. Now I will save it, and let's see what happens when we try to run that. So as you can see that it has now printed all my details that I had saved previously. Now let's try to experiment it and try to put someone else's value. Let's say we start with
Did we
Zen.
have to write this?
So okay, let's say that we start with Zainab today. So in the name value, I'm going to change the name to Zainab. Zainab, how old are you?
8.
So in the age section, I'm going to write 8. And Zainab, where do you live?
Hasilpur.
Hasilpur. So we write Hasilpur here. And what is your favorite food, Zainab?
Pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza. And what's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. So now let's see what happens when we do this. Now I will run it again and you see what happens to this program. Now the introduction has been changed to Zainab's details. Whatever Zainab told us, now the program has changed according to her choices. Fine. Now let's try doing the same thing for Ayad. Ayad, how old are you?
I'm about just over 7 years.
Okay, 7. And where do you live?
I live in China and the city name is Shenzhen.
And how do you spell that?
Shenzen. Shenzhen.
Okay, and what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamburgers.
How do you write hamburgers? I guess. And what's your
Yeah,
favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Blue. Okay, your favorite color is blue. Now let's run it and see if it works for IR. Yes, it works for it as well. So all we did was named some formatted values like name, age, food, city, and color. And then we put those in this symbol. I'm using this symbol to put them here. You can watch which symbols are we using. The symbols that we are using are these ones. You know what do we call them? This symbol here. This. Do you know what is this called? No?
Yes.
Okay, this is called braces symbol. We also call them curly brackets. Curly brackets, medium brackets, or braces. We use these 3 words for them. This is basically braces symbol. You have to write the value that you want to change in this braces. So that is exactly how I have written name here. Maybe this is better. So now you can see that I have written all these values, that names that I picked up for. Like name, I put that in the curly braces here. Similarly, age, I put that in the curly braces too. City in the curly braces too. So whenever it will see that there are a few curly braces, it would directly know that I want to pick up the value that is saved for this word. Like for word food, the value saved here is hamburger until and unless you change it. Let's do it for Haris also. Haris, how old are you? 9?
Yeah.
And where do you live?
In Heidelberg.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
Chicken
Chicken what?
and fry.
Fried chicken. Okay. I said fired chicken. Oh no, it's fried chicken. You have to be very careful about the things that you write, okay? And your
And in
favorite color is
yellow.
yellow. I'm wrong. Okay. So let's say that I save it and try to run it. Now you can see that it has worked for Haris as well. Now all the information that we get here is related to Haris. Remember how we are getting this? We are getting this information because we have used the F string. F string means formatted string. This string or these characters are formatted in a way that they can pick up a value that is saved for their names. Like for name, the saved value is Haris. For age, the saved value is 9. For city, the saved value is Hasilpur. For food, it's fried chicken. And for color, it's yellow. That is why all these values are showing here. Okay. Is there anything that you guys want to ask?